All right. So, Maggie, I want you to look it over and read it. And for my math problems, I like to do math problems in pen. You know why? Because the best part of being a detective is you never erase your work. That way other detectives can look at it and see what you've done. Okay, so don't do anything yet. Just look it over, put your name on the top. You might want to turn your board the other way so it's easier to write with. There you go. And then read the first 3 questions and think about it. If you want, you can read them out loud.
How many? Should I put the answer on there?
If you want to, read the first 3 questions first and then think about the answers. Okay, so what's the first question ask?
How many legs on a duck?
How many legs on a duck?
2.
2? Is it easier to set it on the grass? It's probably easier than balancing it on your knees.
How many legs on 4 ducks?
Ooh, how many legs on 4 ducks? Think about it. How are you going to do it?
I'll do 4 twos.
Okay, show me.
It's 8.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you know?
From I know 4 times 2 is 8.
Ooh, write that down. I want to see all that work. Because I know you're doing it in your brain, but I want to see it. I want to see it outside of your brain.
How many legs on 5 sheep?
Wait, number 2, how did you know it was 8?
I did 4 times 2.
Okay, write that down. I want to see. What does 4 times 2 look like to you?
4 plus 4.
Go ahead.
Write it down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wrong. There's 2 times
2 times 4?
4. Mm-hmm.
What's the 2?
Hmm?
What's the 2 stand for? What is that?
2 4s.
2 4s? What does the 4 stand for? You wrote 2. Why'd you write 2?
Find out 2 4.
Is it 2 trees? Is it 2 frogs? What does the 2 stand for?
2 ducks.
2 ducks?
No, 4 ducks, and that's 2. 4. 2 times 4.
Okay, look at the question. Can you read it out loud?
How
to me?
many legs on 4 ducks?
Oh, how many legs on 4 ducks?
Now I have to do.
So what does the 2 stand for?
It's like I'm gonna take I know what the 8 is. The 8 is it, and so I did 2 plus 2, and I did 2 of them, and it's 4 plus 2, and it's
2 what?
4.
2 plus 2 what?
It's 4, so I did 4 plus 4 equals the same answer, so I did that.
Are you doing legs? Oh, I see. 2 legs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was wondering. I was wondering what the 2 was. It was 2 legs. That makes sense. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was 4. It was 2 legs.
2 legs and 4
How
ducks. Oh, okay, now I get it. How many legs on 5 sheep?
20.
Can you tell me how you got it? I saw you
I did
pulling up your fingers. What were you
8
doing?
plus 8, and it equals 16, and I know 6 plus 4 equals 10.
Can you show me? I know it's in your head, but I want to see all of your brain working. I want to see exactly what you're thinking.
Um,
Oh, where did the 8 come from?
um,
Where did you get the 8?
4 plus 4.
Oh, you pointed to the sheep.
Yeah.
Oh, so you were doing 4 sheep legs?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Why did you do 8?
From 4 plus 4 is 8, and I could do it like easily, for now just be 4, and I would just have to do one more.
Oh, so were you adding
Yeah.
the sheep together in your head?
Mhm.
Oh, can you write that down? I want to see that. I know you guys aren't
Word.
used to having to write down everything you do, but it's really helpful when you're a detective. If it helps, you can draw too. I really like drawing.
Me too. I did 3.
Okay, you're doing great. Don't let me worry you. I'm not asking you questions because you're wrong. I'm asking you questions because I want to know how you're doing it. All right, number 4. Do you want to read that out loud to me?
Next to the barn is a pen with 2 sheep and 3 ducks. How many legs altogether?
Ooh, that's challenging. How do you think you're going to go at this one?
I think I'm gonna do 8 from 4 plus 4 plus 8. Then I'm gonna do 5, and I'll do 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5, where did you get 5?
Oh.
Alright, I heard you take it into 2 pieces. Do you want to do the
yeah.
first piece for me?
Yeah.
Show me the first piece of what you're going to do. You've got a pen and you've
I
got
was
tons
gonna
of room. Show me.
I was gonna do
You've got all the room on the paper in the world.
8 plus 6.
Where did you get 8?
From sheep has 4 legs and 2 fours is 8.
Oh, show me that. Oh, here comes the sheep. I love when people draw sheep. They're so cute. There's one sheep. I see 4 legs. Okay, so there's 2 sheep. Are you sure? Did you double count your legs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 8. 8 sheep legs. Okay, now what are you going to do next?
3 times 2.
Alright, now where did the 3 come from and where did the 2 come from?
The 3 comes from 3 ducks, and the ducks have 2 legs.
Okay, so what now? What's 3 times 2?
6.
Mmm. You have that memorized, don't you? You guys are so good at your addition. So 14 what?
14 legs.
Oh, 14 legs all together. Now how can you double check that you're right?
Make ducks.
Make ducks? It's always good to make some ducks. That's a great duck.